PromeAI. This is art generation tool. You can sketch your design and then turn it to the images. You can delete an object from the scene and type anything that you want. You can erase and replace objects and type it. Very powerful. You can remove your background and add any background that you want, or you can expand your backgrounds. Again, you can type, and with the type you can generate your image. Here again, you can expand your image with the new details. Interesting. You can sharpen your image, something like that. You can convert image to the video. You can give a model to that scene, and then it's create other scene based on your description to you. And you can type, and then it gives you animation. Interesting. Or you can combine images together and create a new image. In description, I give you the link that you can go and open this software, these tools. You can use it free at the first, and you can buy any plan that you want. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.